Are you tired of trading your time for money? Imagine earning extra income even while you are stuck in a meeting or on vacation. Today, we are diving into the best passive income idea for busy professionals that will help you grow your way effortlessly. Let's get started. We all know how demanding a full-time career can be, but would not it be great to have a safety net of income working for you 24 hours and 7 days? Passive income is not just about making money, it's about freedom. In this video, I will show you strategy you can implement today to start building wealth with minimal effort. And if you are looking for personal help with data analysis and financial analysis and data visualization for your business, feel free to reach out. I have got you covered. Invest in companies that pay regular dividends. Even a small investment in the right stock can grow into a steady income stream over time. The best part, you can reinvest dividends to multiply your return. If buying property seems out of reach, try crowdfunding platform like Fundwise or Realty Mogul. You can invest a small amount and earn return from rental income or property appreciation without becoming a landlord. Use your expertise to create a book, course, or templates. Once they are made, they can sell repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad or Udemy, generating income while you focus on your career.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.
Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money directly to borrower. You will earn interest on this loan, and the platform handle all the logistics for you. Set up an online store and let automation tools handle inventory and shipping. Focus on marketing and let the system generate passive income for you. Not all passive income ideas are created equal. Choose a strategy that aligns with your time, risk tolerance, and interest. Start small, learn as you go, and scale up until you find success. Thank you for watching. If you find this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. And remember, if you need help with data analysis, financial insight, or visualization for your business, I provide tailored solutions to make your financial dream a reality. Contact me today.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.